Add a touch of elegance with 3D peel and stick marble vinyl tile from Clever Mosaics. The glossy brown and gray marble design gives the look of natural stone without the weight and hassle. Simply peel off the backing and stick these durable, scratch-resistant tiles to any smooth, clean surface, no messy glue required. The adhesive backing keeps each tile firmly in place. This tile is heat-resistant, waterproof, and oil-proof, making it perfect for kitchen and bathroom backsplashes or feature walls. It's easy to wipe clean and stands up to heavy use. Made from quality vinyl, this tile is built to last while bringing a stylish marble look to your space. Transform your room with this easy-to-install, marble-inspired vinyl tile today. Visit clevermosaics.com to browse more designs. For any questions or wholesale inquiries, feel free to mail us at sales@clevermosaics.com. Our team is happy to help you.